Chidambaram, where the universe dances. In the sacred heart of Tamil Nadu lies a town steeped in the echoes of devotion and the vibrant pulse of cosmic energy, Chidambaram. This ancient town, with its rich tapestry of spirituality woven into the very fabric of daily life, harbors a treasure that draws seekers from distant lands, the Nataraja Temple. Here, at the crossroads of the earthly and the divine, Lord Shiva manifests as Nataraj, the cosmic dancer whose rhythmic movements embody the essence of creation, preservation, and dissolution. The majestic Nataraja Temple stands not merely as a marvel of Chola architecture but as a spiritual gateway to the universe itself. Its towering gopurams are adorned with intricate sculptures that narrate tales of the divine, manifesting an artistry that transcends mere craftsmanship and speaks to a divine conversation captured in stone. Each corridor, each shrine is a passage into another realm where spirituality saturates the air, creating an atmosphere charged with the vibrations of centuries of devotion. Within the sanctum of the temple lies the enigmatic Chidambara Rahasyam, a golden curtain that shrouds the formless divine. To the untrained eye, it is but a mere curtain, yet, to the faithful, it conceals the ultimate truth, a truth that reveals itself only through unwavering faith and devotion. It is here that mystics and pilgrims alike understand that the divine does not seek to be seen but felt, experienced in the heart and soul. The 5 sabhas, or halls, of the temple resonate with the whispers of saints and seekers who have graced this hallowed ground over the ages. The vibrations of their spiritual journeys linger in the air, imbued within the stones of the temple. Among these revered souls, Thiruvaasagam, the Tamil mystic poet saint, who poured his essence into the immortal verses of the Thiruvaasagam. This sacred outpouring, rich with emotion and divine experience, still reverberates within these ancient walls, a reminder of the bond between the divine and humanity. For every pilgrim who steps into the temple, the Thiruvaasagam stands as a testament that this is where God speaks to man in poetry. As the sun descends and the sky blushes with an offering of twilight hues, Chidambaram comes alive. Festivals like Arudra Darshanam draw thousands, seekers and devotees yearning for darshan, the beholding of the dancing Shiva under the cosmic alignment of stars. The atmosphere crackles with anticipation, as throngs of people gather, hearts beating in unison with the rhythm of the universe. Every sculpture tells a story, encapsulating the sacred art of movement that embodies devotion. It is within Chidambaram that the dance form of Bharatanatyam finds its roots, with each mudra mimicking the delicate divine expressions of Nataraja. The vibrant performance of dancers, silhouetted against the temple's elaborate backdrops, evokes the cosmic dance of creation itself, transforming mere visual art into a form of worship. The Cholas, in their wisdom, enshrined this city as a cosmic center of Shiva Siddhant. They transformed the Nataraja Temple not just into a place of worship but fostered a philosophy in stone, a way of life that encourages the people to live in rhythm with the divine cosmos. To walk through Chidambaram is to traverse the universe itself, where the body moves, the soul vibrates, and the divine reveals itself not in noise but in profound silence. And so, as the festival illuminates the night, glowing lamps adorn every corner of the temple area. People from various walks of life gather, their faces radiant with joy, united in celebration and spiritual fervor. In Chidambaram, the air is thick with bhakti, each heart beating in sync with the dance of Nataraja. The final performance of the evening, a rendition of Nataraja's cosmic dance, leaves every onlooker entranced, a moment frozen in time where divinity becomes tangible. In Chidambaram, beneath the golden curtain, the divine plays hide and seek with faith, as seekers share laughter and stories beneath the sacred trees, their souls nourished in the embrace of spirituality. As dawn approaches once more, it heralds a new beginning, an affirmation that to dance with faith, to celebrate creation and dissolution, is to truly live. Here, among the temples, The music of life and the rhythm of the universe converge, leaving every visitor with a heart full of joy and the promise of enlightenment. With each passing moment in this divine sanctuary, the message of Chidambaram resonates. Life is a dance, and each step taken in faith is a harmonious note in the cosmic symphony.